Hi guys, for today's video, we will be cooking fried milkfish. And now I am picking some calamansi fruit for our marinade later. Next, I will be removing the scales of the fish patiently. After that, we will divide it into 2 parts and slice on the middle. The struggle is real. After slicing, remove the internal organs and gills of the fish. This is how it looks like after the process. And now we are ready to marinate it. Add garlic, calamansi extract, soy sauce, and magic seasoning. You can add more depending on your preference. Cover it and marinate for at least 3 to 6 hours. Heat oil in pan.